Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all for the course Engineering Geology. Today, we are going to see about coastal protection structures. We know that the coastal erosion and acceleration are natural phenomena. However, they became anomalous and spread in the coastal regions of our country. India has a coastal area of about 6,000 kilometers. So, they should be protected against the wave action and erosion. Usually, the coastal protection structures are built in the coastal region to slow down or prevent the coastal erosion, increase the access to sites, supports the coastal subdivisions. What will happen if the erosion occur in a section? Let us see. Here we saw a continuous tidal effect. This is the example of a cliff. If there is a continuous tidal effect, it will cause changes here. It will form a crack, and this crack propagate into a cave. This cave propagate into an arch, and then it form a pillar. It result in a stack. Then the stack is damaged, and the relief is destroyed. The coastal is retreated. This is how a coastal erosion occurs. Some of the coastal structures are revetment, bulkhead, sea walls, breakwaters, gurins, dikes, duns, vegetation, and artificial nourishment are the things we build or develop for the coastal protections. The first one is revetment. Revetment are the onshore structures with a principal function of protecting the coastal line from erosion. Usually, it is made up of a clads of stones or concrete or asphalts to armor the sloping naturally. It usually consists of two layers. First one is armor layer, second one is filter layer. The function of the armor layer is to protect the uh, whole structure against a high wave energy. For the high wave energy, it is made up of armor stones, whereas for the low wave energies, it is made up of riprap stone. The filter layer consists of small stones and dual textile fibers which act as a filter and protect the underlying stones. The toe protection prevents under the cutting and provides support to all of the above layers. The next one is bulkheads. Bulkheads are nothing but the vertical retaining walls. The purpose is to hold or prevent the soil from sliding the seawards, and also it protects the upland against the damage of the wave actions. The bulkheads are normally smaller than the sea walls, as the primary function is to retain the fills at the location with only the limited wave action and not to resist the coastal erosion. Seawall. Seawall is a structure which separates the land and then the water. It is designed to prevent the coastal erosion and other damages due to the wave action and storm surge, such as flooding. The seawalls are normally massive structures because they are designed to resist the full force of the waves and storm. The next one is breakwaters. Breakwaters are built offshore, which is always parallel to the coast. They attempt to break the incoming waves, thus reduce the intensity of the waves. Breakwaters may be attached, detached, depends upon how they are designed to protect against the waves. Next one is Gorin. Gorin is an active structure extending from the shore in the seas, often perpendicular to the shorelines. They create a widened bridge by capturing sand moving along the shorelines. Dun buildings. The maintenance and preservation of the existing duns in combination with the breach stands provide an effective measure of protecting an upland properties against the effect of storm titles and wave actions. The another way of protecting the structure is plantation. The plantation development may prevent the erosion. The mangrove creation can accomplish through the placement of filler material will protect against the sea erosion. The next one is artificial nourishment. The artificial nourishment can be created by placing economically friendly and long-lived materials like steel or concrete under the water. The living organism inside the water will start occupying this area, and these man-made reliefs are as protective as the natural relief in enhancing fishing opportunity and serves as an undersea barriers to reduce the impact of the wave energy.